Yo, we back live with another video, man. I got my Crested Gecko out and we're about to do a bioactive tank cleanup. As you can see, the tank is empty except for the real plants, and we about to take this stuff outside and wash it up. So stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's video, we are in my son's room with Yuzu. As you can see, we have the bioactive broke down. A lot of this stuff will not return. Like, a lot of these fake plants won't return. I'm gonna get taller pothos and other plants. That main plant that was in the middle that died, do you remember the name of it? That colorful one? I might go get a big one of those and put a planter over here in the corner. Put a planter like right here and have the plant come out. So I'm gonna use planters inside of this. This is the Skyscraper Zoom Med 40-gallon Crested Gecko tank, upright. So we got 2 bowls on the side. We're gonna take these and wash these off. We taking everything out, washing it out, and we want to get a good look of the springtails and isopods within this substrate, because we do have, like, stuff like this won't go back in. That was used to hold up plants. And see, this thing is in the ground like good. Like, it's not enough light, but I'm gonna look through here to see what we see, you know, as far as isopods, springtails, things like that. Cause didn't I put a new colony in here? There's a dubia. Get that thing out of here, because we don't want dubias inside the home. So let's see. I don't know. I thought did I put dairy cows in here? I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do is, the dairy cows that I am breeding, it was 23 in that tub. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and bring some dairy cows in here. I'm gonna probably put 10 in here, and I'm gonna see how they do. But what I believe is gonna happen is, I believe Yuzu is gonna eat them because they're pretty big. So this is a bioactive enclosure. This is a bioactive setup. So once again, we're not like just finna totally redo this substrate. The substrate is gonna stay, and these are like smell balls. They take away like funky water smell, you know. This one and this one is trash, but that one, I'll probably leave this one in because it still look decent. I'll leave this one in. That one looks decent, and this is trash. So as you can see, there goes some dwarf whites. Some dwarf whites down there. It is isopods all through here. Now, the thing is, I want to see more isopods active so he can hunt them, because Crested geckos will hunt them down and eat them. So now all we have left is real plants. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'm gonna do is, since Yuzu is used to my son and myself, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take real wood that I cleaned up and a few of these fake branches. I really want real wood in here. So we're gonna take the real wood and a couple of fake branches and put them through here in a different design. And we'll put Yuzu back in. Hey son, come here. Oh! There you go. So here's Yuzu. I just dropped this box and I picked it up wrong, but he should be fine. Yeah, he's fine. This dude, he's not very scary at all. Like, as you can see, I just dropped that box and his tail is still good. But nothing has scared him to the point to dropping his tail. I think he'll keep his tail forever. So anyway, man, we about to take this out, wash it up, and then I'll show you once we put it back in. I might show you the washing process too. We won't use any crazy chemicals. I'm gonna just use peroxide, water, and wipe it down and then put it back. So, well, most of this is coming out. The cork bark, the real branches will come back in with 2 fake vines. Might sell the rest, might not, we'll see. But we will return and this tank will be different. So guys, this is what I'm gonna put back in Yuzu's tank. This, because it costs a lot of money and I like it. This water bowl is going at the bottom. These will go on the side glasses again. This is cork bark. That piece is amazing. These ain't going in. I just cut a piece off of there. This root. This was a root, whatever you want to call it, out of the ground from a tree. We're putting that back in. This is going in. This is the only vine going in. And then this plant, that plant might not go in. This vine is going in for sure. And then this is his favorite. So that'll go in. And then all of this is gonna be for sale. We finna clean it up, wipe it down, and all this will be for sale. These mossy oak vines or whatever, those were like 23 bucks a piece. I got a reddish orange one and then a green one. But I think I got like 2 of those. There's some more in the inside of the garage. I got like 3 of those. I got a lot of stuff, man, that really I might should keep, but I'm about to get rid of it. Yep, so yeah, man. What do you think about BIOACTIVE setup? But what? Yep. It's a great reason, man. So anyway, man, we'll show you guys. I'm back in the lab after a few hours. We had neighbors come over. They wanted, they had family from Chicago, so we're back in the lab, and this is the finished product. So everything's set up and looking good. And as you can see, we have Yuzu back in his home. He just went somewhere. I don't know where he went, but he's in there somewhere. But I wanted to show you guys. Oh, there you go. He's down there. You can see his little hand. You see his hand down there? Yeah, buddy, right there. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I'm about to put in. We got some dairy cows, and we have some powdered blues and powdered oranges. So about to put these bad boys in there. I don't know if I'm gonna put all of them, but I'm about to put most of those dairy cows in because I want to have production of dairy cows inside of here, because I know he's gonna pick them off. What up, buddy? There you go. So I'm gonna clean the glass, and well, I'm gonna put these in first. Put these in first, and then I'm gonna clean the glass, and I'm complete. So he has a hide back there, cork bark right up there, root from the ground right there, and a branch that I cleaned up the other day. And so I think this is it. We're Gucci. So this is gonna be it, man. This is gonna be his home, and he's gonna be happy. Hopefully soon I will get my little white up in here. So that's it, man. Enjoy, and thrash the like, pound, subscribe, and continue to support my channel. Share my videos on all your social platforms, and please hit that bell for notifications, and follow me on my Instagram at DragonsOfThunder. We OUTTIE 5000, man. Guanguala.